Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom juggling work, family, and you're trying to build your side hustle? And you're wondering about digital marketing and interested to know if there is a guide, a step by step guide that you can follow? Then you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending all this money online and not even breaking even. You name it, I've done it, been there, bought the t-shirt, affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. Now, if you want looking into digital marketing space, the first thing is let's clarify what is digital marketing. It's all about promoting your product or service. It could be a physical product, it could be a digital product. It's about promoting it online because that is where your target audience is. You have to be where they are, okay? And there's so many different ways that you can do that. Email marketing is huge. The money is in the list. Think Sheen, right? Think of all these companies that use email marketing to have become billion-dollar industries. You can do content marketing, which is what I'm doing right now, creating content that resonates with your target audience. And then you could do social media marketing, you could create funnels, all the stuff here, you can put them together. Now, there is no magic wand. You have to figure out what is the best what's the best way for you to go based on your business, right? Now, in order to start to get into digital marketing, there's different tools that you need to use, right? So like Canva is one of the tools that I use. This video that you're watching has a thumbnail. I use that Canva for that. ChatGPT is a tool that I use. I'm using it right now to give me ideas of content. Help me optimize my videos. There's marketing platforms where you could have done for your funnels, complete with email series to help you build your list. There's so many free tools that you can start using that can help you in this space, right? Now, if you were to launch your digital marketing business, if you launch in the next 30 days, what you need to do is in 3 simple steps really is you need to make sure that you pick a niche that's in high demand, right? You need to have a product that people are out there searching for. So I'm in the e-learning space because there's people out there who are looking to learn digital marketing skills, people like you probably, but they're also looking to earn at the same time, right? So I'm able to help them learn and earn at the same time. And then once you have your niche, then you need to use the tools that I've shared with you to actually automate your business, because the whole point of you going online is for you to have that freedom, that time freedom to do the things that you love with the people that you love. So you can use platforms like marketing platforms, free marketing platforms where you can create funnels, email follow-up series. You can build your list. You can use Canva, ChatGPT. You can use all these. And then what you need to do then, once you have this automated marketing system set up, the last step is where you actually go ahead and use digital marketing to promote your offer, right? So if you're interested in learning exactly how to do this step by step, I have access to a proven step-by-step blueprint, which was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning over $1 million in 17 months. Now she's gone past her 4th million, and she's helped over 100 members of our community earn 6 figures, and over 19 South African become millionaires in South African rands, right? So she has this proven blueprint that anybody can use. So let me go ahead and share my screen here, show you what that looks like. Hopefully I can log into the blueprint. So make sure I'm sharing my screen here. Okay, I want to share the whole screen. So this is what the blueprint looks like. This is a bonus site of the blueprints. You can learn, we have a 30-day marketing growth plan. I'm actually putting together a 30-day content plan. So you don't, for 30 days, you don't have to think about the content to create. I can just give you everything that you need. You can learn faceless marketing. You can learn to use that Canva platform I talked to you about. And if I go to view my product, hopefully I'm not logged out and I can give you a better idea. So there's different packages you can get in where you fit in, but there's over 200 lessons and there's different modules here teaching you exactly how to go from zero experience, zero technical skills to building a successful digital business. Now, when you decide to become a member, you get access to these 2 apps, 2 sites, right? This is the blueprint where you have login details. You log in, you have live calls here, but you also have access to this bonus site where we have over 53,000 paid members. 200 are online right now. We have a tech call happening, and all you have to do, if you had a question, you type in here, somebody would answer you. And just to show you, wherever you are in the world, chances are we are there, because this is a digital project. You just have to download it. If you have access to the internet, a device, you're good to go. So we're in Africa, we're in Europe, we're in Asia, we're in South America, North America, Australia, we're everywhere really. And what I love about this program is, even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, we actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So we have a technical call happening on tomorrow. We have a mentoring day. We have we have an onboarding Thursday where you can week we have live interactive, and then this classroom here is where we have help you build your business. The Freedom Formula Blueprint is where our multi-millionaire, she takes us by the hand for 90 days and she sends us content which magically appears here, right? So we're on day 35. From day 30 to 60 is focusing about helping build our email list. Remember, I told you email marketing is huge, right? If you're on social media, you could get banned and all that, but if you have an email list, that's yours, right? So this is very, very powerful. But not only do we have that, we have mindset training. Those would have been live interactive trainings. You get access to the replays, social media training, mentoring Zooms, webinar resources. We have a content vote. You can download the content, upload it to your social media. We have all this here. But lastly, just in case you're wondering, does this really work for different types of people? Let me share you some wins that we have in our community. Alana, 11 hours ago, $900 this afternoon, over 16,000 rands, right? And the 74-year-old turning 75 is the one who bought this. There's different types of wins. There's engagement wins, as you can see. Daryl, 15 hours ago, 900 while doing content in the park, right? Congratulations. Bethany, 13 hours ago, $600 while folding laundry, right? Jesse, 5 hours ago, 2,300, learning how to have a passive income, having my own community. Congratulations. Mindy, 12 hours ago, $900 mastermind. Congratulations. She just created her first email funnel. Remember, we talked about emails and funnels. Carrie just rolled up, picking up my kids from camp. She just shares a screenshot of that as well. $900. Congratulations. You can see she's a mom and just got a new cell, and she has that little lovely pink top on, and so on and so forth, right? So we have different members sharing their wins in this community. 13 hours ago, ding, James said 900 while getting ready to pick up my daughter from school. And first sale, Sean, 6 hours ago. Um, um, in May 10K in May. Jen freaking out, made my first sale on the 5th of May. Now officially in 22 days, she made $10,000. Miranda, 8 hours ago, 900 ding while in the pool. And so on, 10K in a month. Yeah, I did it all, 10K in 34 days. Congratulations, Gina. Woke up to $900 sales. That's Nancy, right? So as you can see here, we have a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no following, no technical skills, no experience, to actually start learning and earning at the same time. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this to your email. Check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.